Hi, everybody. Keith Tanner here from Flyin Miata, and this is an impromptu surprise FM Live. We're at the racetrack. We are doing what we're calling a product familiarization day for our staff. We have brought out 7 of the cars from the Flyin Miata R&D fleet, and we have brought out our entire customer service staff along with our entire R&D staff. So basically, everybody can get a chance to feel these cars on the track, get a feel for how all the various modifications, all the parts that we sell for them, how they actually work. We've got a few guys who haven't had a lot of experience with our products necessarily. We've got a new R&D person, as you met a while back. We've got Ryan. And some of the customer service guys, they've got experience with, say the early cars, but not the late cars or vice versa. So this is a chance for them to feel all the generations, all the modifications that we offer on the various cars that are on our fleet. But now we did pull them from our R&D fleet. So these cars are all set up in different ways depending on what we're doing with them at the time. Some of them have far more suspension than they have engine because that's what they're doing right now. Some of them have more engine than brakes. We've had to have a little talk about that one. But it's all basically been just a chance for our guys not to go out and try to set lap records, but to just see how the cars work. So for cars, what we have here today, we have Miata 338, which is the Canadian one you've seen on the channel sometimes. It's out there right now. It's a stock 1990 that's got our sway bars. It's got a set of Koni shocks, stock springs, which is a combination we often recommend for people who don't want to lower the car. And so it's giving our staff a chance to actually take that one out on track and see how it works. It's also got a Jackson Racing cold air intake because it makes fun noises. We have Rollergirl out there, who is our NB development platform, FM Stage 1 Turbo, FM Stage 2 suspension, big brakes, sticky tires, aero. It's probably the most track-prepped car, one of the most track-prepped cars out here, and it's out there going around. We have Pepper, our 1991 development car with an FM Turbo. It's got our V-Maxx track suspension on it at the request of the customer service team. They wanted to check it out, so it's been running around. It's running on stock brakes, and that one we definitely have to show a little mechanical empathy to make sure we don't overheat the brakes on that one today. We have Captain Bob out here, which is a Turbo 1994, 95. I keep forgetting what year that car is, with a stage 2.5 FM suspension with Koni shocks. And all of the NAs are on the same tires, which is kind of fun. So we're getting a chance to experience those. For the NCs, we have Nancy, one of our NC Turbo development cars, running around. We're monitoring a bunch of stuff on that one at the same time, just to be sure. And of course, it's running our Fox suspension with the upgraded track springs. It's running sticky tires. So that one is very well track prepped. It's running around having a good time. It's actually just about to leave. And we have 2 NDs here as well. We've got Andy, one of our long-term, hey, there goes Nancy now. We've got Andy, one of our long-term ND development cars that is testing a couple of different things right now. It's got our Fox suspension, that sort of thing as well on it. And we also have, as you can see out there in the distance, we have our stock 2024 to give everyone an experience at what a stock ND3 feels like before we start changing things. Give us a chance to check out the track mode, give us a chance to check out the KPC. We are maybe having the stock tires are struggling a little, shall we say, but it's holding up, and it's fun to see just how good a stock Miata is, especially when you compare it to the stock 1990. Very close to stock. How far we've come in 35 years. So it's been a lot of fun. The stock 1990 goes a little slower down the straight. He's on a cool down lap, but it's a fun time. We've got 7 or 8 staff out here right now, I think, shading around the cars, trying them out. They're just jumping in, trying them. We're not timing today. This is just a chance to see how things work. Not every day a Flyin Miata is like this. I wish it was, because it's a beautiful day. We are here at Grand Junction Motor Speedway, by the way. They were nice enough to let us use the track on a day when it otherwise would be closed, so we don't have to worry about other drivers, kart rentals, that sort of thing. But we do recommend, if you are in the area, Grand Junction Motor Speedway is a great place to come play with some rental karts. Heck, who doesn't love having a track in their backyard? if you do enjoy this kind of thing, make sure you subscribe to our channel. Make sure you like our videos. That helps us get the word out to more people. It'll also help you find out when we're going to have more previously scheduled videos, like the live videos that we do every Thursday at 2 o'clock Mountain Time. And we also have a number of other informational videos that drop over the course of the week, the course of the month. So make sure you check that out and throw any questions or comments you might have in the comments. We do read them all. We love hearing from people. But otherwise, I think it's time to get back out there on the track. This is Keith Tanner from Flyin Miata. Thanks for watching.